Welcome back mga kapuso sa mga naghinam-hinam nga mahibaw-an ang ilang kapalaran karong triga at mahinabi ang usa ka Feng Shui Consultant, and we have with us this morning Miss Jean-Yu Chua. Good morning at Happy New Year, Miss Jean, at welcome sa programa. Naging suki ka na talaga sa aming programa. Kindly greet all our kapuso.
Hello everyone, good morning. Good morning, Miss Lu. Good morning sa lahat ng tao sa GMA Live, Regional Live TV.
Alright. Miss Jean, una sa lahat, anong swerte ang dala ng Green Wooden Dragon for this year, 2024?
For this year, 2024 Wood Dragon, it will start on February 4. Okay, and the celebration of the New Year is the February 10. And ang dala ng swerte for this Wood Dragon is to have good traveling luck this year. So meaning everyone can have a good fortune or good luck or opportunity to do business internationally or in different places. So marami din kayong mga good network and good partners and good collaboration of ideas to have a greater business deals. Yeah, so yung isang lucky stars for the Wood Dragon. And another one, this year, 2024 is also a big change because we are entering to the new age of Feng Shui, age of 9 or the period 9. So nagbabago din ng ating economy or social status natin. So it is also a symbol for Phoenix. It's a female power. So it's also beneficial sa mga female generations. And also, maganda rin po yung chances of mga gaining more money and mga opportunities. And since Wood Dragon is lack of water element, so kailangan natin this year is to have our own effort and time to do what kind of business we want. So maybe meron kayong mga ideas or may mga plano kayo na gusto magtayo ng business, this is the best year for you to have a good teamwork or a good idea to invest into those small businesses.
Any business po or there are specific businesses na talagang swertehin this year for those who would like to start up a business?
Any business na related to the fire industry. So this is like something about yung mga technology and something about mga artificial intelligence or anything that is more involved in mga let's say mga communications or mga restaurants is also good for starting for this 2024. And for those din na into mga metal industry, yun yung mga mining, constructions, or yung mga jewelries, mga buy and sales, or mga tradings. Yeah. So mas more on mas careful lang tayo sa mga industry like yung mga big investment scheme or kaya mga stock market. Medyo floating kasi yung energy flow nila. Kaya medyo iwasan din natin mag-take ng risk, no? So we can go into mga mas traditional or classic business that is more safe and more conservative.
Okay, we have to keep that in mind. Base naman sa Chinese zodiac signs, ano ang mga swertehin this year, Miss Jean?
For this year, 2024, we can say categorize into strong money luck, no? So these are the animal sign na rat, ox, tiger, snake, horse, and pig. So because these animal sign na meron silang dalang lucky money stars, they can easily get into good connections and makakahanap din sila mga right person to work with. Kaya mas mabilis sila improve into business. And mas mabilis din sila mag-gain ng good money luck. And for those animals like that you are into a strong networking luck, so ito naman mabilis din makakonect din mga social network. This is yung mga rabbit, rooster, monkey, pig, and dog. Because there is lang mga tinatawag na networking luck star or nobleman star. So meaning, mabilis din sila maka-gain ng success or makakuha ng mga deals nila. And for the mga people are working or career journey, they also enjoy the promotion luck like yung mga year of the ox, tiger, dragon, sheep, and monkey. Okay, because they have yung mga, we call the 3 harmony star, we have the promotion star, and victory star. So itong mga stars na tumutulong sa kanila in order to facilitate or to improve their performance and skills, mas napapaganda yung trabaho nila. So mas na-appreciate sila ng mga boss nila na nakikita yung improvement. Kaya they have the promotion luck.
Ano naman yung mga zodiac signs na hindi masyadong swertehin this year?
So mga zodiac sign naman na not so lucky, no? So that they need to have more attentive and to be more careful in terms of their health or safety. Ito yung mga animal sign na your dragon, dog, rabbit, ox, and sheep. Yun. So these are meron tinatawag na Feng Shui conflict or the grandeur conflict. So somehow they are easily get into trouble or obstacles, but kailangan lang nila maging attentive and observant para before taking any actions or any decision making. So wag lang sila maging super impulsive or aggressive in terms of lahat gusto gawin. So kumbaga parang they have to have a good target goal and planning ahead before going to anything that they want to do.
Okay, ano naman ang pwedeng gawin para maka-attract ng swerte this year, Miss Jean?
For this year, if you want to attract good luck, you have to orient your house, your office, yung mga lucky spot, no, na direction, lalagyan natin ng mga lucky energies of mga feng shui cures and feng shui enhancers, no. Especially for this year is a very good number, ang number 9. So that's why you can invite 9 dragon hanging charms. Hanging charms you can hang in your window. Yeah, thank you so much and I hope na na-enjoy kayo sa sharings ko. Then you can also message me if you have other questions.
Ug mga kapuso, mubalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.